Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for insightful business lessons and advice. We're here to guide you through the labyrinth of strategies, decisions, and actions that make a business thrive. Today, we're diving into a special brew of wisdom, courtesy of a global coffee giant. Yes, we're talking about Starbucks. We've distilled 10 business lessons from Starbucks that are applicable in a variety of fields, not just the coffee or food industry. These lessons offer a glimpse into the strategies that have shaped Starbucks into a global powerhouse. They're nuggets of wisdom that can help your business grow, innovate, and succeed. From understanding your audience to effective marketing, these lessons cover a wide spectrum of business strategies. So, without further ado, here are the 10 business lessons you need to learn from Starbucks. Lesson 1. Understanding your audience. This is where Starbucks truly excelled. They recognized an unmet need in the market, the desire for a public space that felt as comfortable as home, yet as productive as an office. It's this insight that led to the concept of the third place, a space that's not home or work, but somewhere in between. This idea resonated deeply with their audience and set the stage for Starbucks' global success. Now, why is understanding your audience so important? Simply put, it's the foundation of your business. By knowing exactly what your audience wants and needs, you can tailor your product or service accordingly, creating something that's not only useful and attractive to them, but also unique in the market. This, in turn, can lead to increased customer loyalty, higher sales, and ultimately business growth. Remember, understanding your audience is the first key to success. Lesson 2. Consistency is key. A pivotal factor contributing to Starbucks' success is their unwavering consistency. Step into any Starbucks, whether it's in New York or Tokyo, and you'll find familiar items on the menu, the same warm ambiance, and the same high-quality service. This is no accident. Starbucks has mastered the art of delivering a consistent experience, which builds customer trust and cultivates loyalty. But why is consistency so important? Well, it's simple. Consistency creates a sense of reliability. When customers know they can expect the same high-quality products and service every time, they're more likely to return. Consistency also helps to build a strong brand identity. Starbucks is synonymous with quality coffee, and that's because they've consistently delivered on that promise for years. So remember, consistency isn't just about repetition, it's about delivering a reliable, high-quality experience time and time again. Consistency in your business practices can build a strong brand identity. Lesson 3. Innovation is essential. In the business world, standing still is falling behind. Starbucks understands this concept perfectly. They are continually innovating, introducing new products and services to keep their customers intrigued and coming back for more. Remember those seasonal drinks, pumpkin spice latte in the fall, peppermint mocha in the winter? Those are not just beverages, they are innovative marketing strategies to create buzz and keep the brand relevant. And it's not just about the drinks. Starbucks was one of the early adopters of mobile ordering, making the coffee buying experience more convenient for the busy, on-the-go customers. This technological innovation has allowed Starbucks to serve more customers more quickly with fewer errors, enhancing overall customer satisfaction. Innovation, therefore, is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's what keeps a company competitive, relevant, and ahead of the game. So don't be afraid to innovate and try new things. Your business's future might depend on it. Lesson 4. Employee satisfaction matters. Starbucks is a champion of the belief that happy employees breed happy customers. They subscribe to the idea that when employees are content and feel valued, they are more likely to provide exceptional service to customers. Starbucks has long placed an emphasis on employee benefits and satisfaction. From offering comprehensive health coverage to stock options and even tuition reimbursement for their baristas, Starbucks has created an environment where employees feel seen, heard, and appreciated. This focus on employee satisfaction is not just about being a good corporate citizen, it's a strategic move. Studies have shown that satisfied employees tend to be more productive, stay longer in their jobs, and are more likely to promote the company's brand. So by investing in their employees, Starbucks is indirectly investing in their customer base. A satisfied employee can be your best brand ambassador. Lesson 5. Social responsibility. Starbucks has long recognized the importance of being more than just a profit-driven entity. They've championed several social responsibility initiatives, including ethical sourcing of their coffee, tea, and cocoa, contributing significantly to the welfare of farmers worldwide. Starbucks also invests in community service, often encouraging employees to volunteer in local projects. The question is, why? Why should a company care for anything beyond its bottom line? Well, it's pretty simple. Consumers today are increasingly conscious of the ethical practices of the brands they patronize. They're more likely to support businesses that make a positive impact on society. As a result, being socially responsible not only improves a company's image, but also strengthens its relationship with customers. It's a win-win situation. In conclusion, social responsibility is not just good for society, but also for your business. Lesson 6. The power of branding. Starbucks, a name synonymous with premium coffee, has built a brand that's recognized and revered across the globe. This isn't a happy accident, but the result of strategic branding. Let's take a moment to understand why branding is so crucial. You see, a strong brand does more than just distinguish you from your competitors. It creates an emotional connection with your customers, making them feel a part of a community. It's this sense of belonging that Starbucks taps into with its warm, inviting cafes and consistent experience worldwide. Their logo, the siren, isn't just a symbol, it's a promise of quality and familiarity. And Starbucks delivers every time. This reliability, this trust, is the power of branding. It turns customers into advocates, people who will actively promote your brand. So remember, a strong brand is not just an identity, it's your business's most valuable asset. A strong brand can set you apart from the competition. Lesson 7. The value of customer loyalty. Let's delve into the heart of Starbucks' success, their customer loyalty programs. These programs are not just about rewarding customers with points or free drinks. They are strategic tools that Starbucks uses to encourage repeat business. Now, why is building customer loyalty important, you may ask? Well, it's simple. Loyal customers not only come back again and again, but they also become ambassadors for your brand, bringing in new customers through word of mouth. Starbucks understands this and has created a loyalty program that goes above and beyond. They offer personalized offers, free in-store refills, and even free birthday treats. This makes customers feel valued and appreciated, which in turn fosters a deep sense of loyalty. It's not just about the coffee. It's about creating a relationship with the customer, making them feel like they are part of something bigger. Customer loyalty can be a powerful tool for growth. Lesson 8. Strategic expansion. Starbucks didn't become a household name by accident. It meticulously planned its growth, both domestically and internationally. Let's break it down. On the home front, Starbucks ensured it saturated its local market. It established outlets in high-traffic areas, creating a ubiquitous presence. Internationally, Starbucks tapped into new markets with a keen understanding of local tastes and preferences. They didn't just export American coffee culture, they adapted their menu and store design to resonate with the local culture. Now, why is strategic planning so crucial in expansion? It's simple. It allows you to identify the best locations and markets for your business, helping you avoid unnecessary risks. It also enables you to anticipate potential challenges and prepare for them. Remember, a haphazard expansion can lead to financial losses and damage to your brand's reputation. In contrast, a well-planned strategic expansion can help you reach new markets and customers. Lesson 9. Adapting to market trends. One of the key strategies that keeps Starbucks at the forefront of the coffee industry is its ability to adapt to market trends. Take, for example, the growing demand for plant-based alternatives. Starbucks was quick to jump on the bandwagon, introducing a range of plant-based drinks to cater to the vegan and health-conscious customers. Similarly, recognizing the trend for convenience and on-the-go consumption, Starbucks expanded their product line to include ready-to-drink products. This move not only broadened their reach, but also ensured their presence in various retail channels. Adapting to market trends is not just about riding the wave of popularity. It's about understanding and responding to the changing needs and preferences of your customers. It's about staying relevant in a dynamic and competitive business landscape. Remember, businesses that fail to evolve will be left behind. Staying on top of market trends can keep you ahead of the competition. Lesson 10. Effective marketing. Let's delve into the magic world of Starbucks marketing strategies, a realm where seasonal promotions and social media campaigns reign supreme. Picture this. It's autumn and the air is filled with the scent of pumpkin spice lattes. Or winter, when red cups herald the arrival of holiday specials. These seasonal promotions create a sense of anticipation, a tradition for consumers to look forward to. Now, let's shift our focus to Starbucks social media campaigns. They have harnessed the power of platforms like Instagram and Twitter, creating a direct line to their consumers, a place for interaction, and a hub for announcing new products or promotions. Effective marketing, as demonstrated by Starbucks, is not just about selling a product. It's about creating an experience, a connection. It's about understanding the consumer and their needs, and delivering it in the most engaging way possible. Effective marketing can draw in customers and keep them coming back. And those, my friends, were the 10 business lessons you need to learn from Starbucks. From understanding your audience to ensuring consistency, from fostering innovation to caring for your employees, each lesson we've discussed today holds immense value. Remember the significance of social responsibility and the power of branding, and never underestimate the value of customer loyalty. Strategic expansion is key, as is adapting to market trends. And of course, effective marketing can make all the difference. Each of these 10 lessons is a piece of the puzzle that is the Starbucks success story. They've written their own narrative in the world of business, and there's so much we can learn and apply to our own ventures. It's not about copying their model, but understanding the principles that guide their decisions and actions. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful business lessons and advice. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.